Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here we have the JoyTutus Car Seat Organizer. So what this does is pretty much you get it and it slides right down in between the opening of the car seat. Now this kind of looks like a leather look. It is smooth. I don't know if it's coated or anything, but it is hard plastic inside there with this lining. So I'm sure it's not leather, but this also has a really cool red stitch which matches my seat really nicely. So all you got to do, this is on the passenger side, just shove that right down in there and you can see all the different compartments that you can even add more stuff to in addition to your other holders. So that's really cool for some additional things if you need to do that, like a phone. You can probably store 2 phones in here, some more coins. Now it also came in a box with these. I'm not too sure what these are. It came with 2 of them. You can see right here. My guess would be it's something that connects and probably goes on the headrest, but I'm really not super sure. So I'm going to find out when I do the review of this. But that's what's in the box of the JoyTutus Car Seat Organizer. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you soon.